In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download a song from YouTube in MP3 format. Okay, let's get started. As usual in this channel, we don't waste our viewers' time. Let's locate the YouTube app. Okay, this one here. Then let's say I want to download this song by Faustino Kitwi. What will I do? I just tap on the three dots to the right, these three dots here. Now I will see the share icon. Make sure you follow every step here so you don't make any mistake along the way. Okay, tap on the share button. Then you will see a pop-up for copy link, quick share, and create post. Tap on copy link to copy that link. Now tap on the home screen button. Then locate the Chrome browser. Now you will go to this website ytmp3.ai. Then copy that link in the URL bar there. Then tap on convert. Make sure you select MP3. Then tap on convert. Allow it to initialize. Block those notifications. Now you'll see my song has been converted to MP3. Now what do? I just download it. You can see I can be able to download that song. Ignore those ads. You can see I can download that song again in my phone because I have already downloaded it. So this is how you download a song in MP3 format from YouTube. If you found value in this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Until next time, peace out.